Hit record. Oh shit. How is this gonna work? Alright. I turned off my timer so the alarm doesn't go off when the timer goes off. We're under 30 seconds, folks. We're getting close. We are getting close. Oh, I see the purge going on. The final purge is going on. They're cooling all the fuel lines now. Here we go, folks. Booster 1071's 33rd launch of its lifetime, the 30th launch of the month, the first, or the 30th launch of the year, the first launch for the month of May. And I think this is the first return to sender for Booster 1071. Don't forget, hit that like button as soon as we have ignition. As soon as we have ignition, don't forget to hit that like button. I'm not exactly sure when is 0. I'm probably going to shut up here in a second because we should get ignition any second now. Don't forget, if you're watching the live stream, it's a little delayed. So even if you come up here and you're watching it, there it goes. There it goes. We have ignition. We have ignition, folks. The sun's coming up. Hit that like button, folks. Look at that. Now we're going to lose it for about 5 or 10 seconds. Look at that. That's a cool view of the pad. All right. Pretty much right at midnight it launched. And in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at, let's go up here because you can see the glow through the top of the clouds now. I was off on my countdown for rumble, but here it comes. A lady asked me earlier if they should be wearing earmuffs or put their earmuffs on the kids, and I said no. Not if you're up here, you don't need earmuffs. Well, if you're watching, I hope you hit the like button. I would appreciate it, and I'd like it even more if you'd hit subscribe. And leave a comment where you're watching from. Oh, yes, I see a star. Yeah. Ooh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Okay. Well, that was Booster 1071's 33rd launch of its lifetime. The first launch for the month of May. The 30th launch for Vandenberg Space Force Base. Oh, look, somebody asked earlier, and just in time, the moon said hello. Okay. That's the booster right there. Oh, look, we're getting jellyfish effect. Yes, we have jellyfish effect, folks. Oh, that's a badass jellyfish. You can't really see it in the live stream. That's why you guys got to come here and see it for yourself. So at this point, we have 5 minutes left to go till landing. So we'll get stage separation, You could still kind of see it hidden behind the clouds. Not too much. We're going to leave both the camera and the phone recording for now, folks. Because I don't know how to edit videos yet, and I could just, well, I don't know how to clip them together. I'll cut out what we don't need. But this cloud just, or this fog bank just kind of moved in. So I don't know if we'll be able to see re-entry burn. But we should be able to see landing burn. But we got a couple minutes to spare. So I'm going to point everybody back down toward the pad. Let you get a look at the pad post-launch. And once the rocket has landed, all the roads are open. So if you come up here to see it and you're up here on Harris Grade and you want to see what the booster looks like after it lands, you can see it. You can drive out there to Surf Beach and go look at the booster on the pad. And since I feel like I have a wild hair up my ass tonight, we're probably going to keep live streaming and drive out there post-launch and see if we could see it. Okay. All right, I'm leaving you guys. There's really, if I point you up, you're just going to be looking at blackness. So we're going to leave you guys kind of pointed down for a minute. We got about a minute and a half until re-entry burn. And if I see re-entry burn kick off, I will shoot you guys back up into the sky so you can see re-entry burn. It's going to be kind of difficult because of the fog. I kind of think re-entry burn's going to happen a little bit further. Well, you can't really see where I'm pointing anymore, but a little bit further downstream, down screen from what you guys are looking at right now. But there is a chance. We do have a little patch of blue skies right above us. Ow. See, the full moon is what kicked off the jellyfish effect tonight. But that's what we're looking at. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Re-entry. 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 Oh. Oh. Wait. Oh. All right. Re-entry's off. Re-entry shut off. So we got 2 minutes. 2 minutes until landing burn, which is going to happen right around that area, which I know you guys can't see. That's why you guys have to come out here and see it for yourself. You got to come see a rocket all for yourself, folks. Where are we at? Where are we at? Okay, let's zoom out on this one. Go back up. All right. 12:06. So we're about 2 minutes away from land, or a minute and a half away from landing burn now. Excuse me. And like I said, that's going to happen around right there. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Don't forget, folks, wait for the sonic boom. It's not going to happen right away. It happens just around right now. Oh, man. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't go anywhere. Keep your keep your ears open. Everybody usually cleans up right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Come on. I missed it. Right around. Yeah, if you listen closely, folks, you could hear multiple sonic booms happen. not just one. So if these cars weren't going behind us right now, the roar that you're hearing now is the roar of the engines when it's coming, the engines when it's coming back to land. Don't think that that's just the roar of the rocket coming back. No, that's the roar of the engines reigniting and coming back down to the pad. Yeah. Thank you, Eddie, for posting that. Thanks, everybody, for